Welcome everybody. This time I will start probability. Again, it is not in the AP civil exam syllabus, but you might see question from probability. So this time I will talk about cards, playing cards. I believe that everybody of you played cards at least one time. Somebody maybe 10-20 times per day, per week, maybe whatever. So cards, playing cards, typically four types, four sets. Yes, not four sets. Every set has four types. Four types. Every type has or sets. Yes, we call sets. So 13 is total is 52. 4 times 13, 52. So first time you say spade, then club, then heart, then diamond. Hearts and diamond typically red. This spade and club typically black. Every card has like 13. So here 13 cards. A for ace, king, queen, jack. Somebody said jester, whatever. Is J for Jackson. Then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 13 here, 13 here, 13 here, 13 here. Total is 52. And now in card, this equation is valid. Probability of A or B is probability of occurring A or B is probability of A plus probability of B minus if there is any overlapped portion, then we need to exclude that. So this equation is valid for card. Now if the question says from a well shuffled card of 52 pieces, if I draw two cards, so if I draw two cards without replacing, so it is important, without or with replacing. So right here, without replacing. That means I will take one card, will not replace. I will take other card, two cards, one after another without replacement. What is the probability that first card is first one is ace, that means A. Second one and, yes, this is also important. What it is telling, and or. So and or both important. If it is and, then our rule is multiply. If it is and, if it is or, then we use plus sign, and then we deduct any overlapping portion. So this question is asking what is the probability that first is ace and second one is whatever is second one say 3. What is the probability that first time it is ace, second time it is ace? Again it is and. This odd is important. This odd and this one is very important. Okay. Then first time A. What is the probability? Favorable option divided by total option. So first time A. So how many A do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4A. So 4 divided by 52 because total card is 52. Favorable option divided by total option. Favorable, that means what I am asking or what I am expecting. Second time 3. Again, I have how many 3? 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So 4, 3. But second time, what is my total options? 52? No, because I did not replace the first card. So 51. Now, as it is and, so I will do multiply. So this is the probability that first time it is an A, second time it is a 3. Now, same question, if I just remove this, if I remove if I remove out, that means two cards with replacing, with, that means I will replace. In that case, this part will be 52. So this case it will be 52. That means I am replacing. Now same question. If I keep it is I have to take a decision. Okay, I am taking width. So I am erasing out now. Yes. So if it is width, then we will cut and write 52. Now same question. If I say here or then what will happen? If I do or, it is no longer multiply, it is plus. Again this is plus. If I say or this, so I have more options. Now this is not one option. If I go to other kind of questions, say what is the probability that okay, first what I am doing, say I am taking 2 cards, so I am taking 2 cards without replacement. I am taking 2 cards without replacement, one after another. What is the probability that first time it is spade, second time here, and okay, right here or first time it is spade and second time it is K. So I give a huge option. First time it is spade or second time it is king. This is a confusing. Spade means the whole set 13. K means any one K. So first time spade, second time any one K. So what is the probability that first time it is spade? How many spade do I have? 13. What is my total option? 52. Now second time K. How many K do I have? 4K. How many options? 51 or 2? 1. Because I did not replace my first. Now you can see here, this K is common. When I consider this K here, when I consider this K is here. So K is common. So that common, how many common? 1. So I should deduct that common part. So what? That means it is a plus. So I use this equation. So first time it is spade, that means total number of spade 13. Second time it is K. How many K do I have? 4. Divided by 51 because I did not replace my first card. Minus if there is any common. How many common? 1 card in a set of 52. That means this K is common. So sometimes there should be some. There may be, not should be. There may be some common part. In that case, you should deduct this part. This is another category of card flow problem, and then I think okay. Let me try another example. From a well shuffled card, I am taking 1 card. Say I am taking 1 card. What is the probability that it is K? We know this already. That means number of K is 4, total is 52. It's very simple. So if I take 3 cards, so if I take 3 cards with, this time assume with replacement. This time I am assuming with. I will take 1, put it back, take 1, put it back, like this. My question is probability first time it is say 10, second time it is k, third time it is 3. Again it is and, everywhere is and. So first time 10 and second time k and third time 3. So first time 10, how many 10? 4. Total 52. As it is and, so multiply. Then second time k, how many? 4. 52, because I am replacing with replacement. And that means multiply. Third time k, that means again 4 times 52. Okay, then whatever you will get, that is the answer. I hope that I consider different kinds of options available in card problem. In my last video, I discussed about the coin and dice problem. So if the examiner sets a question from probability, I believe they will set either from dice, coin or card. These are the very basic and very fundamental probability problems. Okay, thank you again for watching this video and keep on watching. Thank you. Bye.